Spicy peach glazed kielbasa is coated in an easy and sweet glaze and makes a really simple appetizer or game day snack. Start by browning sliced kielbasa in a skillet, remove it and set it aside and wipe the skillet clean. To the same skillet, add 12 ounces of peach preserves, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard, a quarter teaspoon ground ginger, and a quarter teaspoon crushed red pepper flakes. Bring to a simmer for a few minutes and then return the kielbasa to the skillet and stir to coat it with glaze. This peach glazed kielbasa makes a fantastic appetizer, but if you want to serve it as a main dish, serve it over white rice. Find the full recipe and many more at SpicySouthernKitchen.com.